Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss on important current affairs for 22nd July. If the content is helpful, please share, like, comment and subscribe. First question. Who inaugurated the Zoram Mega Food Park virtually in Mizoram recently? Correct answer is Harsimrat Kaur Badal. Harsimrat Kaur Badal inaugurated the Zoram Mega Food Park virtually in Mizoram. Who is Harsimrat Kaur Badal? She is Union Food Processing Minister. This mega food park was inaugurated to boost the food processing industry in northeast region of India. This will help in generation of employment, and also the people associated with the food processing industry will be benefited. And about Mizoram, what is the capital of Mizoram? Aizawl. Chief Minister of Mizoram is Zoramthanga and Governor is P.S. Sridharan Pillai. Next question. Lalji Tandon passed away. He was the previous governor of which state? Correct answer is Madhya Pradesh. Lalji Tandon was the governor of Madhya Pradesh. He was admitted in hospital due to illness in June month. Till June, he served as the governor of Madhya Pradesh before he was hospitalized. In the meanwhile, Anandiben Patel, who is currently serving as the governor of Uttar Pradesh, was given an additional charge as governor of Madhya Pradesh. Lalji Tandon has served as the governor of Bihar in 2018 and later he was appointed as the governor of Madhya Pradesh in 2019. Who is the chief minister of Madhya Pradesh? Shivraj Singh Chauhan. Next question. International Cricket Council has postponed the men's T20 World Cup to which year recently? Answer is 2022. ICC Men's T20 World Cup has been postponed to 2022 by the International Cricket Council due to COVID-19. Also remember 2023 ODI World Cup, which is scheduled in Feb and March 2023, is also moved to October and November 2023. About ICC, ICC was founded in 1909. Its headquarters is in Dubai, UAE, and its current CEO is Manu Sahne. And who is the president of BCCI? President of BCCI is Saurav Ganguly. Next question. Who is the author of the book Suraj Kadi Marda Nahi? Correct answer is Baldev Singh Sadaknama. Baldev Singh Sadaknama is the author of the book Suraj Kadi Marda Nahi. The meaning of Suraj Kadi Marda Nahi is Sun Never Dies. Baldev Singh Sadaknama has received Sahitya Akademi Award in 2011 for his work. This book is about the freedom fighter Udham Singh. Udham Singh is well known for the assassination of Michael O'Dwyer, a former lieutenant governor of the Punjab who was responsible for the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. This book will be formally launched on 31st July, which is the 80th death anniversary of Udham Singh. Next question. What is the initiative launched by the Union HRD Ministry for the mental well-being of the students? Correct answer is Mano Darpan. Union HRD Ministry has launched Mano Darpan initiative for the mental well-being of the students as part of Atmanirbhar Bharat. This was launched by the Union HRD Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Under this, psychological support is given to the students at these times of COVID-19, in which students, parents and teachers are advised on how to remove the stress and make life simple. Main aim of this initiative is to maintain a good mental health among students, parents and teachers. So remember, initiative launched for mental well-being of students is Mano Darpan. Next question. Which state cabinet has approved the scheme Mukhyamantri Ghar Ghar Ration Yojana? Answer is Delhi. Delhi cabinet has approved Mukhyamantri Ghar Ghar Ration Yojana. Under this, ration will be delivered at home to the beneficiaries. It means beneficiaries need not to go to the ration shops to get the stocks. They will get doorstep delivery of ration. This scheme will be operational within next 6 to 7 months, and this will be linked to the One Nation, One Ration card once this scheme comes into effect. About Delhi, capital of Delhi is New Delhi. Chief Minister is Arvind Kejriwal and Governor is Anil Baijal. Next question. Naval exercise PASIX was held between India and which country recently? Answer is United States. Indian Navy and US Navy has jointly conducted the naval exercise PASIX. PASIX full form is Passage Exercise. From US side, USS Nimitz took part in this exercise. USS Nimitz is a nuclear capable aircraft carrier. And from Indian side, Shivalik, Rana, Kamorta and Sahyadri took part in this exercise. This exercise was held near Andaman and Nicobar Islands. When is Navy Day celebrated by Indian Navy? It is celebrated on 4th December every year. Indian Navy was founded in 1612 and current Chief of Naval Staff is Admiral Karambir Singh. Next question. Where is India's first public electric vehicle charging plaza inaugurated recently? Answer is Delhi. India's first public electric vehicle charging plaza has been inaugurated in New Delhi. This plaza was installed by Energy Efficiency Services Limited and New Delhi Municipal Council. This plaza has 5 electric vehicle chargers. This was inaugurated by Minister of Power, New and Renewable Energy. Who is the Minister of Power, New and Renewable Energy? R.K. Singh. Next question. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports has partnered with which international organization to encourage youth volunteers for achieving Atmanirbhar Bharat? Answer is UNICEF. Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports has partnered with UNICEF to encourage youth volunteers for achieving Atmanirbhar Bharat. Atmanirbhar Bharat is an initiative taken by Indian government to make India self-reliant. To serve the purpose, Sports Ministry have signed a statement of intent with UNICEF. Who is the Union Minister of Youth Affairs and Sports? Kiren Rijiju. And about UNICEF, UNICEF was formed in the year 1946. Its headquarters is in New York, US, and the full form of UNICEF is United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Next question. Which state has launched the scheme Naveen Rozgar Chhatri Yojana for all-round development of scheduled castes recently? Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh government has launched Naveen Rozgar Chhatri Yojana for all-round development of scheduled castes. Under this scheme, the beneficiaries will be given financial assistance for setting up small businesses. This scheme was launched through video conference by the Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh. About Uttar Pradesh, capital of Uttar Pradesh is Lucknow. Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh is Yogi Adityanath and Governor is Anandiben Patel. These are the important current affairs for 22nd July. If the content is helpful, please share, like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.